Good morning, folks. This is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and today we're gonna do, I'm thinking like late autumn gold. Kind of an autumn piece that I started off with a little bit of blue paint and some yellow ochre got mixed in there, and that's okay. That's alright. We don't mind that. Just want to mix in some other colors here just to brighten it up a little bit. This is turquoise blue. Want to kind of make it interesting. Oops. This is mixed media paper. It's not my favorite to work with, but it's what I got today. So I really like my fan brush. It's just a really, really nice brush to work with, and I'm gonna do like a little snowy kind of ground scene. I really kind of like that that the paint is all wet and everything. That's kind of fun. And let's see, well, I think I'm going to take a palette knife. Get some white paint on my brush. On my palette knife. And put in some trees. All I'm doing is setting the palette knife into the paint to get it on the edge. And then, using that to create little lines. Set it into the paint and then just do little lines. And I just want to give the hint of some trees. Kind of like that. I'll get my fan brush again. And now I'm going to get a little bit of yellow ochre. I kind of like to get it relaxed on the brush just by dabbing it like that, and then so what I'm kind of thinking is, just before the last of autumn, the snow is just falling now. I just love that time I think it's so beautiful, really. Yeah, I love that. It's so nice and loose and really quite fun. And I do like that. It's very nice. Very nice. Okay. I want to use a toothbrush. And I want to put in some stars. So I'm going to dip the toothbrush into some white paint. Right here like this. And just try to like get it relaxed on the brush so it's not real heavy. Kind of like that. And then just flick the flick it to, you know, create the stars or snow or what have you. And then I'm going to take a small brush, get some white, and I'm going to paint in a little moon because, you know, I just have to have a moon on some of my pieces. Let's see, we're going to put it right here. We go. Well, it's not very agreeable. Might have to wait for the paint to dry a little bit before. Before I can get a good moon here. At least I can get it started. There we go. This is not bad. And then I want to do a little reflection down here. I kind of like the idea that it's, you know, a blue moon, kind of blue moon. Work that in there because that's a little glob there. I really kind of like the looseness of this. And maybe I'll just add a little bit of black. So I just want to set the knife into it and kind of Add some black lines in there for the stalks of the trees. And that's a nice little piece. Now what I'm going to do is this paper is just really very thin. I like to pick it up like that. Just to kind of give it a border, you know, because it's kind of hard to read, you know, with that model background. And one thing that really helps when you're doing a painting like this is to take a picture of it. Let's take a picture of it. I know it's dark and everything right now, and it's not going to be a very good picture, but at least here it is. Okay. And I can get, by looking at that, I can get an idea of the composition. And what I'm thinking, just by looking at my picture there, I'd like to maybe fix this a little bit here. And so you can see how I'm doing that. And I think another thing that would be kind of nice is to take a small palette knife like this and get a little bit of white on it, on the edge, and then just put in little lines in the water to kind of give it more of like a water texture. And I kind of like doing that. Okay. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I pretty much like that. It's abstract, you know, but it's got the autumn feel to it. I think I could maybe add some more autumn foliage to it. It's nice how the autumn foliage is mixing with the blue and just creating these really pretty colors and stuff. Now get a little bit more white on my palette knife and go in and just kind of create more of the stalks of the trees. And yeah, I think that's looking pretty good. So let's get some close-ups of that. Really fun little abstract autumn landscape. Really pretty little piece. And you know, I do love doing night landscapes and water reflections and that sort of thing. It's kind of my cup of tea. Again, my name is Jacob Folger. I'm an artist sculptor, and here on my channel I teach how to paint, sculpt, and make jewelry. And I would love it if you would try this. You know, I try to make learning how to paint very obtainable, and if you try this, I would love it if you'd send me a photo. My contact information is in the video description down below the video. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I upload, and give the video a like, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment. Tell me where you're watching from and what you think of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for support, and have a great day. Bye-bye.